Welcome everybody. Here we are again. It's another unboxing video of, let's say, reviews in action. This time we're gonna unbox the Basher BZ-444 Pro 1/10 scale 4-wheel drive racing buggy. I'm very curious about this buggy. Looks very nice. Okay, so let's see the box. You can see the ESC, the motor here, nice aluminum shocks, few features, and here are the datas. Nice box, by the way. Let's look inside the box. What we've got here is an instruction manual and stickers, Velcro straps as I see, a few plastic parts, double-sided tape. Okay. And in the box, it's a nice buggy. Okay, so here is the buggy. It's a nice pre-cut body, but it's clear, so you have to paint it with Lexan paint. It's only one hole for body clips. There's no hole at the rear end, because you can apply the Velcro straps here and there, and of course at the side of the buggy, and that way you can put on the body easily to the buggy. Very nice. It's actual Lexan, so it might be more durable than the plastic ones. It looks very good. And here is the buggy. Let's see underneath it. It has a plastic chassis, hex screws all the way. It's a 10.5T Trackstar motor and Trackstar Turbo ESC. It's an 80 amps ESC, by the way, with a little fan on it. It has a nice Trackstar servo. This is the TSD99X servo. So it has quite a good specs, by the way. Okay. Two quite small battery places. As you can see, you can only put saddlebags here. XT60 connector. It's a nice aluminum motor mount with a heat sink. Diffs front and rear. as I see CVDs at the rear end, CVDs at the front. Nice aluminum shocks. Maybe the oil is maybe it needs a little bit thicker oil in it. That's fine. At the rear it's a little bit thicker, as I think. Nice aluminum parts. So it's the Pro version, hence the aluminum stuff. I think it's a kind of reinforced plastic. It seems quite good. Legs and wing. So this is the almost ready to run version. You only have to install your receiver, battery packs, and bind it to your radio, and off you go. It has quite nice tires, pre-mounted tires. It's a medium to soft compound, more like soft. And not too soft inserts. Okay. Let's see if there is any play with the wheels. It's very little play, it's just the usual, nothing extra. Okay. Okay, so that was our unboxing video for the BSR BZ-444 Pro 4-wheel drive 1/10 scale off-road buggy. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe to my channel.